Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we are going to be swatching WAHALA palette by JUVIAS Place, and at the same time I'm going to be doing an eye look from this palette. Okay, I already opened the palette, so it's not kind of oh my god kind of a thing for me, because I already opened it to see what's inside, because the review is already here and there. So I wanted to see what kind of look I'll be going for, so I open it. Yes, okay. So I'm so curious about the glitter part of this palette, because it has some glitters there, it has some matte and some foil eyeshadow. All right, so that's the reason why I decided to, like, you know, that I'm going to be creating an eye look which is going to be from the glitter, because I'm curious to see if the glitter are not going to be falling apart. You understand what I mean? I purchased two lip gloss from them, and this one is called Dudu and this one is called Nafateri. I think I'm pronouncing it very wrong, but I'm going to put this name on the screen in order for you to see the right spelling, also to be able to get the right pronunciation. So without wasting much of your time, before I continue this video, please, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, and please do turn on the notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's jump right into this video. Non-Nigerian viewers, the meaning of WAHALA is written at the back of the palette. WAHALA is a Nigerian word, a translation for drama, trouble and intensity, often used as a word and a slang in Nigerian Pidgin language. So WAHALA in a nutshell is drama. All right, so let's open up drama WAHALA. Okay, right here, this is the palette, and these are the amazing colors that are inside there. They all have their individual names, and you can see the glitter part of it. Look at that glitter. Let me look at that glitter right here. That's glitter. We have another one right here, that's glitter too, you know, and we have some are foil and we have some that they are matte. So I already primed my eyelid. All right, the one that I'll be doing on my eyelid is prime, but on my body, no, I'm gonna swatch is gonna be without primer, so we can be able to see the intensity real good. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with this. It's called BU. I will use that as my transition color. Just blending this side out, no products. So I'm gonna be coming in with the one that is called Love, this blue one right here. These colors are so bold, like I hardly do color makeup like bold look. I hardly. So I'll go ahead and blend. So now I'm going to come in with this glitter right here. This is the fun part of this video for me. Like, I really want to see if it's not going to have a fallout. Okay. Oh, bringing it out already. See, let me show you guys. See, look at that. Like, let's see if it's not going to start falling out. But I'm just going to place it on my eyelid like this. Oh, I mean, it's falling, but it stays on the eyelid. Look at that. But it's falling though. But the pigment is not bad. All right, the pigment is not bad, but it's falling. But I'm gonna tell you my honest truth, it is falling. Okay, it is falling. Is it? Like, this is not a makeup tutorial, you know, we still have to swatch the rest of the eyeshadow. It's falling. All right, it is. It's even all over the eyeshadow palette. See, it's like everywhere now. So, and look at it, look at how it looks after I dip in the brush, just for how many times. See, so it's falling, but the pigment is not bad. All right, so let me go ahead and do the rest of my face, then we'll come back and swatch, then we'll wrap up this video. Okay guys, honestly, I'm gonna tell you, I like to tell you the truth. This eyeshadow palette, that glitter, it's what all over me. I didn't even see it until I put the palette on the other side, like to start getting the rest of my face done, and I saw the eyeshadow all over my pants. Like, of course I'm wearing pajama pants under this top, as in all over. Like, seriously, the glitter, it's a lot. It fell a lot. Of course it does have a good pigmentation, you can tell on my eyelid, but it's falling a lot. But that notwithstanding, there are way you can use it. Is either you wet your brush, your makeup brush, then you go in. It's going to reduce the falling part of it if you want to do that. So that's just what I wanted to tell you guys before I move on. And again, I wanted to tell you that I'm trying this milk primer today. I review it, I unboxed it in one of my video last time, and I wanted to do this on the camera for you guys to see. This is how it looks. It looks like a gel. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's how it looks. And this primer is called Grip Primer by Milk Products Makeup. Okay, so I wanted to, it feels so cool. Oh my goodness, as in it feels like something I pick up from the fridge. That's how it feels on my skin, like so cold. And of course I didn't put it in the fridge, I just put it on my makeup storage right here. That's where I pick it from, and it's so cold. Ooh guys, I'm telling you, that's the sensation I'm getting. So I just wanted to show you guys this on the camera before I move on, just to give you a quick review about it. And that's the primer I'm going to be used today. So guys, I already applied my foundation. I really want to talk quickly again about this Hydro Grip Primer by Milk. Okay, I applied the foundation by JUVIAS place as well. That's the one I used, and my shade is called Tanzania. All right, so I just want to tell you guys that this primer accepted this foundation smoothly. Like, it glided on smoothly on my face with the primer underneath. Okay, there was nothing like dragging. I don't know if you've ever noticed that some primer, if you use it when you put your foundation, it feels like you're dragging your skin while you're applying your makeup. But this foundation works perfectly good with this foundation. This primer worked perfectly good with this foundation. That's what I wanted to tell you guys. You all can see I already applied the foundation, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up. I promise you, when you see me when I come back, it's going to be the end of the look. All right, okay. So I am back, and I don't want to prolong the swatches, so I went ahead and swatched off the camera to show you guys. So these are the first two top row. I have BU right here, Stand Up right here, Fighter right here, Gentle Lady let me yo emi ki she fighter o, can anybody map with me to be I have Fighter right here, I have Fire right here. The next one is called Power right here, Unafraid right here, and I have a Pride right here. That's Pride. I have Gossip right here, I have Rumors right here, and the last one right here, it's Younger. So those are the first two rows of the palette. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch the last two rows, then we do the lipsticks swatch application for you to see the colors, then we wrap up this video. So these are the last two rows. From here we have Envy. The next one is called Sis. I use that word a lot, right? As in, thank you sis, thank you so much sis. Yes, sis. The next one is called Oversabi. The next one is called Unsilenced. The next one is called Love, which I actually use on my eyelid. I use it as on my crease. I use it at the bottom of my eyelash. All right, and I use it on my crease as well. Okay, Love. The next one is called Woke. The next one is called On Shock. The next one is called Pepper Body. The next one is called Busybody. Then the last one is called Clothes. Clothes, as in clout. The last one is called Clouds. Okay, so these are all the eyeshadow swatches, okay, right here. Okay, but guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, is this the best eyeshadow from Juvia's place? For me, I don't know about anybody else. No, I'm not gonna lie. Even the matte ones are not that pigmented like all the masquerade palettes, you know, the previous palette that I purchased from Juvia's place so far. But will I repurchase this? No. Will I repurchase all the other ones, the masquerade, the warriors and all that, you know, those other ones? Yes. But this particular Wahala palette, I'm not going to repurchase it. One, the glitters are falling a lot. Then two, it's not that pigmented, but the glitters are kind of pigmented. You can see how they are, like, look at Pepper Body. Look at how it's like, you know, reflecting. You can see it. You can see this one too, how it's reflecting. But all these ones, like, I had to like swatch, take them twice in order for you to be able to see this pigment. So that's what I'm talking about, compared to when you swatch masquerade or any other warrior palettes. You know what I'm talking about. Their pigments are really highly pigmented. Let me show you what I meant. Okay, look at this. I'm swatching BU again for you to see. It's not that, like, you know, bam, in your face kind of a thing, compared to when you swatch masquerade palette. So in order to convince you, not to confuse you, okay, I brought out this Juvia's Place palette, which is the Sharia palette by Juvia's. You all can see it. I'm going to swatch the shade that is closer to BU, which is this Zora, this one right here. Okay, let me swatch it beside that. Oh my god, guys, look at this already. See, in your face. That's what I'm talking about, in your face. So like I said, this, I'm not going to repurchasing this anymore, but of course I can repurchase this. All right, they're all by Juvia's Place. It's just that the pigment of this Wahala palette is not what I expected. All right, I always feel Juvia's Place palettes, they're always pigmented, but this Wahala Juvia's Place palette, it's not that kind of pigmented like the rest of the ones I've purchased from them in the past. So I've gone ahead and applied this lip gloss. This is matte finish lip gloss. Okay, I like how it goes on, you know, applied, glide on smoothly, and I like the pigmentation. It's not bad at all. And this one is called Nefatari. I don't know if I pronounced it right, but nevertheless, I'll put it on the screen like I said in the beginning of this video. So this is how that is looking. I feel like it's gonna stay for a while. Those are the kind of you see how gorgeous it is, right? I like it. So let me go ahead and apply the second one. So this is the second one, and this one is called Dudu. Dudu means black, and you all can tell there is no long thing about this. Like, there is no need prolonging the matter. Okay, this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.